solve what we have on the board. Now I would like you to watch to the end of the video so that you see how we prove that what we got is right. So after solving, we are going to substitute what we got into this equation to prove that we got what we got is right. Okay, now this is it. First of all, let's remove this x. So to do that, let's divide both sides of this equation by what? X. So it's going to be the whole of this divided by x is equal to 1 divided by x. Now x is going to cancel x. So we have 27 raised to the power of x is equal to 1 over x. All right, now I want to bring everything x. Let's just go to one side, okay? And let our constants remain on one side. So to remove x here, I'm going to raise each part of this equation to 1 power of 1 over x, okay? So let me do that. So we are going to have 27 to the power of x raised to the power of 1 over x is equal to 1 over x raised to the power of 1 over x. All right, now notice that x is going to divide x. So we have 27, right? So we are going to have that 27 is equal to 1 over x raised to the power of 1 over x. Have you subscribed yet? Then what are you waiting for? Okay, please subscribe and then turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video, so that I don't miss amazing math solutions. And I upload videos twice every day. You see that? So please tune in any time of the day. Tune in and check what I've uploaded for the day. All right, thank you so much. So this is what we have. Now when you look at this, we can express 27 as 3 to the power of 3, right? Okay, so this is equal to 1 over x raised to the power of 1 over x. Now by comparison, we can see that 1 over x is equal to 3 over 1. All right, so if 1 over x is equal to 3 over 1, so that simply means that x, okay, is equal to 1 over 3. So this is the value of x. Now let's get to the most interesting aspect of this video. Okay, so let's substitute what we have to see if we are correct. All right, so we have 1 over 3 multiplied by 27 to the power of 1 over 3 is equal to 1. Is it? Now when you look at this, you can see that 1 over 3 multiplied by 27 to the power of 1 over 3. That 27 to the power of 1 over 3 is same thing as cube root of 27, right? Yes. So we have 1 over 3 multiplied by, so this is cube root of 27 to the power of 1, which is still the same thing as cube root of 27 is equal to 1. So we have 1 over 3 multiplied by, now cube root of 27 means what can I multiply 3 times to get 27? And that is 3. So that means what we have here is multiplied by 3 over 1 is equal to 1, is it? Okay, now 3 we divide 3. Notice that what we have here is 1 is equal to 1. And that is it. Thank you so very much for watching to this stage, and do have a bright and lovely day.